I'm Khushi. So my topic is BTS. BTS stands for Bangtan Sonyeondan, and it is a Grammy-nominated South Korean boy band group, and it stole millions of hearts of their fans since they debuted in 2013. And nowadays it is very famous because they work hard and they struggle very much. Every successful person has their own struggle story, which inspires us very much, and they also have their own struggle story. Their company is at the verge of disbanding, but they work together and now they are very much famous, and now it is the only band which has win 9 awards in this 2021. Till now they have 427 awards they have joined, and 600 awards get, and they have more than 600 they have joined nomination.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi. Today's my topic is success. In today's world, everyone becomes success. But what is success? Success means to achieve a mission you have to set for yourself. I think ambition is the first step to success. The second step is action. Moreover, people compare from others people's performance to evaluate their success. But success is not something that you compare from other people's. Success is very important, as we know that life is full of challenges. Winning those challenges brings success.
Good evening everyone, I am Mayank Chauhan. Today my topic is self-confidence. We all know that self-confidence means having in yourself and your ability. It is something that need to be developed internally. It is freedom from doubt. It cannot be taught, but it is very important for healthy and positive lifestyle. Suppose you change your school and you go new school first time, and you make friend easily and you talk your friends, and because you have a self-confidence, but you have not a self-confidence, you didn't talk your friends, you didn't make friend easily.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Shah, and I'm telling about parents, Mummy Papa. Mummy Papa is gifted by God. He both has very beautiful person for your in your our life. That person, he can't say your problems. He can't say I'm surviving this problem, that one. He can't say you, but he complete your dreams. He complete your facilities. He giving you more facilities in your our life.
Good evening everyone, my name is Pallavi Singh, and today my topic is monkey mind. So firstly I would like to tell about the meaning of monkey mind. Monkey mind is a term which refers to being unsettled, confused. So for example, our mind is a little monkey, like a little monkey which swung from one branch to another branch, like that human thought jump from one to another. It is like continuously swaying between past and future. It is also about it is also a part of your brain that become easily distracted. So if you get done in your life, your first challenge is shut down the monkey mind.
So hello everyone, my name is Manu, and today I'm going to speak about why English is important. So first of all, it is an international language, and people speak in English to communicate with foreigners, and it is an universal language. If you have a good communication skills, you can also get easily job.